Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make this type of video. So if you like the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. To make this type of video, go to flourish.studio and sign in. So new visualization and line chart race. So there is simple with filtering and zoomed. We can make all type of videos with simple one. Let's do simple. And this is the a sample video, sample chart, and you can change this from this data. You can change this part is for image, this is name, and this all data is the data for line chart race. And if we can upload Excel file from here, you can paste here or make data by ourselves. And we need to select some columns here. So the name column is A for this one, name. Image column is B, that's pick, and score column is C to ZZ. You can select ZZ and it will work with last column. So now this is our sample chart and you can make video with this. We can replay here and you need to screen record for the purpose to make the video. That's all for today. It's a quick video. Thank you so much.